Mercury comes in Pisces sign once in a year, that is, it is debilitated most of the times for those born in March or April. Mercury always travels close to the Sun and Venus. So when the Sun comes into Pisces sign from 15th to 16th of March to 14th of April, that is when the Sun is in Aries, Pisces or Aquarius, can have Mercury in Pisces sign. And as Venus is close to Sun, most of the time it cancels its debilitation by being in Pisces, its sign of exaltation. Mercury is debilitated at 15 degree in Pisces in Uttarabhadra nakshatra of Saturn in its fourth pada belonging to Moon. Mercury enters its debilitated sign in fourth pada of Purva Bhadra from 0 degree 3 degree 20 minutes owned by Moon. Then 4 padas of Uttara Bhadra from 3 degree 20 minutes to 16 degree 40 minutes owned by Sun, Mercury, Venus and Mars, and 4 padas of Revati from 16 degree 40 minutes to 30 degrees owned by Jupiter, Saturn and Jupiter. Uttarabhadra is the second last nakshatra and is very spiritual being in Sagittarius pada. Its proximity to the sun, that is combustion, should be checked. Cancellation of debilitation can take place through Venus or Jupiter. If Venus is placed in Pisces sign or if Jupiter is in Sagittarius or Pisces sign. Placement of Jupiter in Gemini sign can cancel it by direct aspect. Exaltation of Mercury in D9 also cancel it. We should check the Shadbala, Vimshopka strength and Ashtavarga points of Mercury in case of its debilitation before any prediction. Mercury is debilitated in transit for 20 to 25 days and for 3 months if retrograde. Mercury is retro when it is in water element and will have a longer stay in Pisces. When Mercury is debilitated in transit, mostly we should check Gemini, Virgo signs and the moon and the ascendant. The transit through ascendant is minor transit unless Mercury is retrograde in it. The end of Pisces is Gananta, that is when Venus is going through Pisces, we should be very careful. The houses which Mercury rules carry some weaknesses when Mercury is debilitated, but we should check the position of the house and its strength. Mercury is exalted in Virgo at 15 degree in the Hasta nakshatra of Moon and debili in Pisces, Jupiter at 15 degree in Uttarabhadra nakshatra of Saturn. Mercury represents small kids, sports, intelligence. Moon represents desire. Jupiter is knowledge and Saturn is hard work. Mercury requires support if it is below 15 degree. If Mercury is ahead of Sun in house or longitude, we should choose banking services, and if Mercury is behind the Sun in degree or house, we should go for deep researches as we have a calm and cool attitude in our decision making. Debilitated Mercury requires more devotion and time to gain knowledge, that is, needs support of Saturn and Jupiter. Mercury is always with either Sun or with Venus and is alone only rarely. Debilitated Mercury offers difficulties in effective communication, such as struggle in expressing ourselves clearly, misunderstanding others, or experiences challenges in articulating thoughts and ideas. It gives learning and intellectual challenges, difficulty in grasping new concepts, retaining information, or experiencing delays in intellectual development. We face decision making difficulties. We struggle to analyze and process information, leading to indecisiveness or making impulsive choices without careful consideration. It impairs our logical thinking and makes us distorted or confused. It affects our logical reasoning and analytical skills, making it challenging for us to make rational judgments or face complex problems. It develops a tendency to be nervous and anxious due to overthinking, which in turn produce mental unrest and unease. We face challenges in communication based professions such as writing, teaching, or public speaking. Keep learning. Hari Om Tat Sat.